How to earn $50 daily using cryptocurrency. 3 main methods. My name is Itumbe Ewa Godlove. I make videos on how to earn money online. I am also a web developer, a graphics designer. I do create tutorials from time to time on graphics designing and web development. So for today, I'll be teaching you how to earn $50 daily with cryptocurrency. 3 main methods. So first thing I want to tell you is that you have to follow the video till the end to be able to understand the methods. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, comment your countries so I know wherever you are following my videos from. I'll be very happy to see your comments. Method number 1, Faucet Pay. Now, don't worry, all the links of each of these methods will be placed in the description of this video, so you can easily follow along or just click on the links to follow on the websites. The first site is Faucet Pay. Faucet Pay, this is a website that teaches you or that helps you in mining cryptocurrency like Bitcoins, Ethereum, Dogecoins, and so on and so forth. Now, if you look at the platform, I have already withdrawn my last earning. These ones are just earnings of the past few days. You see, I just started. This is what I have already in Bitcoin. This is what is in my wallet estimated. And this is the points that they reward you per earning. So how do you earn money in this site? There are many ways. The first way is to go to Faucet list. Don't forget, first, when you fall on Faucet Pay, it is very easy. You will be prompted with a pop-up to sign up. If you are not signed up already, you sign up and you have to validate the human robots captcha to ensure that you are not a bot trying to scam their site. Then after that, you verify your email, then you fall on their platform. That goes same to the other 2 sites that I'll show. So how do you earn cryptocurrency on this website? When you are logged in, you go to your dashboard, like I am on my dashboard now. First of all, at the dashboard section, you want to take note that you have user dashboard and Faucet owner dashboard. So if I go to user dashboard, for example, this is my user dashboard. This is where I get all my information of my earnings and whatsoever. Now, you should take note of something. This is the first and most important Faucet Pay platform that you want to start from. Why? Because it is through it that you will link your other accounts into it. If you look down here, you see receive from. That is showing that I have not received any payment for today. Now, on your same dashboard, if I click here and I go to Faucet owner dashboard, if you look, I have Cryptoshark.com and ATDT.top. These are the 2 other Faucet sites that I have linked them to this platform that permits that I can be able to transfer my earnings directly to this Faucet Pay, because all the other platforms that I'll show you, when you earn coins there, you have to transfer them to this platform. It is now from here that you will now be able to send them to your Bitcoin wallet, be it on Coinbase or Binance. Now, for those who don't yet know how to create a Faucet, a Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency wallet, you can create it on Coinbase or Binance. Those are my 2 favorite ones. So if you don't yet know how to create accounts on these 2 platforms, you can comment on the video below and I will create a video on how to create your accounts on them and link them to this Faucet Pay. But for this video is just to show you how to earn. But if you want to know how to link your accounts to these platforms, I will create a video on that. So these are my 2 platforms that I've linked already with my API keys and everything. Now, to avoid you wasting too much time, I'll just show you directly the best platforms that you can easily earn on them without any stress or difficulty. Now, if I go to Offer World, that is, you see that even after the Offer World, you now have Service itself. Now, they send me a message. Hold on, in order to use this overall, you must receive payment from at least 7 different faucets this month. So I have to receive payment from different faucets to be able to access this platform. Again, if I access this platform, I will not be able to answer a service based on the area I'm found. If you go to pay to click, I think they'll still show me the same message because it's been long since I mined here. They tell me, hold on, in order to pay to click, you must receive having 5 faucet payment. Now, this is the best place you want to get more coins from this faucet pay. After that, you now have stacking. So, I mean, in this section, I hardly go there, but you have to read through to understand what is happening here. Other than that, you can still do coin swap. You can do a leveraging here too in the multiply BTC, which is purposely for Bitcoin section. You can play games to earn cryptocurrencies. You can play dice, crashes, limbo, roulette, pinko. I mean, all forms of game. You can also advertise on them. This is for those who want to use their coins here to do advertisement. You can use your coins for that, or to do sponsored listing. You can still use the coins you've earned for that. Now, after this faucet pay, the other legit site I want to show for cryptocurrency earning, it is Coinpay. So here you see my main balance. I have 751 Satoshi. I have 0 referrals, 0 purchase. Yeah, all you have to do is when you click on the referral link in the description below, you'll be prompted to sign in again. They'll prompt you to verify the Google Captcha. When you verify it, you will fall on your dashboard like I'm on mine. So how do you earn coins here? This one has an application that is available for phones, both Androids and iOS devices. So you can click on view ads. In ads, you have 3 different ads. You have soft ads. So yeah, these are soft ads. And how do you go about the soft ads? You see page 1 to 5. There are a lot of advertisements to view. So all you have to do is to click on the advertisement, allow it to open. Now, if you look up here, you realize that a particular seconds is going, or you just have to wait maybe for 1 minute, 30 seconds, 1 minute. After that, you close the page, and you will realize that the Satoshi has been added to your account. So let's just wait like for 30 seconds. Okay, I believe you heard the sound. That sound is telling me that some coins have been added to my dashboard. So I can close it now and come here. You see the green notification. You have earned 2.3 Satoshi. That is how you earn on the soft ad section. Windows ad section too, the same thing. It is pretty much the same thing. You just have to click, and if you take note, even they show you the number of seconds you have to wait. This is it: 60 seconds, 60 seconds, 45 seconds. So the moment you load the site, you have to wait for that long to be able to earn the Satoshi. Video art, the same thing. If you click each video here and open it, you have to wait for this period of time to be able to earn this Satoshi. Now, if we go to offers, they also have different offers here that can enable you to earn more coins. Like you can go to any of the offers here, time box and whatsoever, to earn more coins. Let's go to faucets. Now in the faucet section, you realize that you have Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum coin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and so on and so forth. Yeah, you can claim coins every after, I think here you claim free coins every after 60 minutes. That is every after 1 hour. You have to just click on claim, follow the simple procedures, and you have the coin added to your account. Yeah, look like here. I just tried it. Since I told you this account is for teaching purpose, I have just 4 here. Yeah, I have 0. This is Theta coin. And in Bitcoin, I have just 3.4 Satoshi. That is just for this section, not your general Satoshi in your dashboard. The same thing for Faucet Pay. You can also use them to advertise. Like if you decide that the points you've earned on this platform, you want to create new advertisement and promote them on the platforms, good and fine. You can still do them with the coins you've earned on the platforms. All right. The next site I want to show you is Cryptoshark. Cryptoshark. In Cryptoshark is one of my best platforms. If you see, I have one referral here too, since this account is purposely for teaching and I'm on level 9 in my mining. This is the number of tokens I've mined so far. Now, how do you go about here? So if I come here, my best sections here, all of these are ways to earn, like dice, for example. Okay, since it's been open for long, that is why I acted like that. You have dice. So you follow the instructions on how to play your dice. You are ready to roll. I mean, you have to use some coins you earn to play the dice. You also have auto faucet, which is almost the same like the one I showed you on Coinpay. You this faucet area, auto faucet, whereby depending on your energy, when you saw on my dashboard, depending on your energy, you can just click it and leave it open while doing something else, and you mine your coins automatically. But that is also depending on the energy that you have. If I go to my dashboard again, for example, you take note that I have 90 energy. So the more higher your energy, the more you can automatically mine faucets. But if you don't have energies, you can't automatically mine. Now, if we go to manual, sorry, I'm talking a bit fast. I don't want the video to be too lengthy. In manual section, you mine every after 5 minutes. Every after 5 minutes, you get a token. And per day, they have a limited amount of token that they give you per day. Like per day is 80 tokens. It depends, it varies. There are times it's more, there are times it's less. So what do you have to do here? All you need to do is to just follow the instruction and answer. Please click on the anti-back links in the following order: 6, 1, and 2. As soon as you're done clicking them, you click to collect your reward. Where you collect your reward, they'll analyze your answer, and if it is good or correct, you earn the coins. That is how you earn manually. Now on Shortlinks, which is also one of my favorite sections, Shortlinks, you see that here I have 39 links available, total tokens to earn and total energy to earn. So on Shortlinks, you don't just earn just tokens, you earn tokens and energy, and these tokens are what can be transferred into cryptocurrencies. So like here, if I want to claim this, I just click on claim, and I'll be prompted with some instructions to follow. They are simple instructions that does not take you more than 1 to 2 minutes to do, and as soon as you've done them, you earn your coin. So important, this is not permitted for okay, you just follow the instructions. At times you have to click it twice, because at times you open the advertisement the first time. When the advertisement shows you no instruction, you have to close it and reopen it again. So you need patience. If you can dedicate like 2 to 3 hours of your time every day, you earn a lot. So you just click on them to earn. Yes, 75 token, 5 energy. I mean, on all of their short links. Also, you have PTC, which I believe most of you know the meaning of PTC. Paid to click. You are being paid to click and watch. So here also, we have a total of 17 ads available and 158 tokens. All I have to do is to click, go to this, and wait for 5 seconds. Then I earn. I click, I go to this, I earn. After 2 seconds here, I earn. After, so depending on the seconds you have to wait, you earn all of these tokens. Thereafter, also, there are times you have lotteries that are being given to you, like bonus that you have to use. You can now use to play your lotteries here and earn more tokens, or why not earn USD, physical cash. Task. Also, in this task section, that is why I said this is one of my most favorite platform, because it has a lot of way to earn. In this task section, you will be given series of tasks that if you perform, you earn a particular amount of token. Like here, they say, make a video talking about our website, Cryptoshark.com, on your YouTube channel. For those who have YouTube, you make an advert video about this and you place it here. So you place the link here for them to verify if you've done it. And if they verify, okay, this is the token you earn, this is the energy you earn, and this is the level of experience that you get. So these are all the tags there. Offer wall. The same thing in offer wall. You have each session, you'll be given a series of options on what to do to earn. So there are a lot of ways to earn in these platforms. Now, depending on your region, like me, I'm in Cameroon. So most of the times, there are some sessions that are not available for me that I might click and I don't see. Like here, you'll be able to, they say money will be credited to you within 1 day. You can track the transaction of history. So you just have to click to this and you follow on the sites, follow the instructions on what to do to earn the USDs that you see. That is how it's been done here. So if you take your time and go through all of this, you read the instructions and it's pretty much easy. Apart from that, I also think they have their referral program. Yep, this is it here. This is a referral program whereby you'll be given their referral link to use to promote, and any person who signs up, whenever they mine, something comes to your account like the others. I have just one referral person. This is the link. Now, this is the leaderboard to see the number of serious people who are on these platforms and who are mining day to day. They are levels. So you see level 1, he's on 260, the levels and activity contest leaderboard. Those who won the leaderboard activities to show you the tokens they earn. I mean, you read a lot about people who mine here, referral contests, Faucet contests, Shortlink contests, and offer wall contests. All what people earn. That is what is being showed on the leaderboard. All right, this is the last of my 3 videos the 3 links I wanted to share with you how to mine faucets and earn. Now, I just showed you the links without showing you how to transfer your faucet. In this platform, for example, how do you transfer your coins? Let's say you go to dashboard. You come here. If you have linked it, like I said, for those who don't know, you can comment on the video below and I'll create a second video since I don't want this to be lengthy on how you link it. So yeah, you pick the coins, you pick how you want to transform your token. Do you want to transform it into USD Pay? That is if you have a Pay account, or Bitcoin. I think at the moment it's just Pay and Bitcoin that is available. Also, the method of transforming your tokens also usually depends on the number of tokens you've earned. At the moment, it's just USD and Bitcoin. So if it is Bitcoin, they will show you the total of Bitcoin converted based on the token you want to transfer. So if I just collect this token, let's say I copy it and I paste here, it will show me the total amount of Bitcoin I will get in terms of this token. For example, let me just paste what I've copied. On Bitcoin, this is how much I'll get if I'm to transfer this. This is what I'll get in BTC, and this is what I'll get in Pay, in USD Pay. So if it is in Pay, I have to put my Pay wallet address. Bitcoin, the same thing. You put the address here. So here is my address. I've blurred it for security reasons. That's how you do to transfer your coins to your wallets. Now for Coinbase, for Coinpay, you also, how do you transfer them? You go to dashboard and you see withdraw. If you click on withdraw, they will also prompt you, what method do you want to use on withdrawing? Is it Bitcoin, Pay, and whatsoever coins? Now, if you pick it, they all have their limited amounts to be withdrawn. Like here, they say the minimum withdrawal is 11,000 Satoshi. Minimum withdrawal is 1,000 Satoshi. So you look at the minimum withdrawals. You see here that if I want to withdraw here, I'm still on 700 and something Satoshi. I cannot withdraw this. Neither this nor this, worst of all, be in BTC. So you have to attain the limited amount of withdrawal before you can click confirm and you transfer. And also ensure that if you are confirming to transfer, you have your account registered. Like your Pay account, you have registered it. Same thing for BTC and all the rest. All right, thank you and see you in the next video.